Just one fall after the age of 60 can permanently rob you of your ability to walk. And it often starts with weak legs, something most people overlook as just a part of aging. If you're looking for leg strengthening exercises for seniors, this video is exactly what you need. Weak legs don't just slow you down, they quietly increase your risk of losing balance, becoming dependent, and even suffering fractures. In this video, I'll guide you through 7 safe, gentle, yet effective exercises to help restore stability to your legs. Don't skip exercise number 5. It's helped thousands of older adults stand confidently again in just a few weeks. Exercise 1, seated leg raise. This is one of the simplest leg strengthening exercises for seniors, yet it brings noticeable results within weeks. All you need is a sturdy chair. Sit upright, place your hands on your thighs, then slowly lift one leg. Hold for a few seconds and lower it. Repeat 10 to 12 times per leg. This targets the quadriceps, the key muscles for standing, balancing, and preventing weak legs in elderly. According to the National Institute on Aging, consistent at-home leg exercises can improve mobility, reduce fall risk, and enhance quality of life in just 4 weeks. It's also ideal for those seeking easy leg exercises after 60 or recovering from injury. It's normal to feel a bit shaky at first. Just take it slow and stay consistent. If you've ever felt dizzy or unsteady standing up from a chair, the next movement will help restore that stability. Exercise 2, standing march in place. If walking outside is difficult or you're afraid of losing balance, this is one of the best gentle senior workouts to do at home. Stand near a stable surface like a table or chair. Begin marching in place, lifting each knee rhythmically. Continue for 30 to 60 seconds, repeat 2 to 3 times. This boosts blood flow, helps improve mobility safely, and strengthens the hips and knees, areas that weaken after 60. It's especially helpful for those looking for safe exercises for weak legs while maintaining daily activity. You don't need to leave your house or use equipment. This is a true no-equipment leg training method. It might feel tough at first, but stick with it. That heavy leg feeling will fade. Practice every morning and you'll notice fewer cramps and better mobility, especially after waking up. The next movement focuses on the ankles, a small area that plays a big role in full body stability when walking. Exercise 3, heel and toe raises. This is one of the most effective post-injury leg routines to build strength in your ankles and calves, crucial for steady steps and balance. Stand upright, gently hold a stable surface in front of you. Slowly lift your heels off the ground. Hold, then lower. Next, lift your toes, hold, then lower. Repeat 10 to 15 times. A common mistake seniors make is doing this too fast or with poor form, which can strain the ankles. Another mistake is skipping ankle work altogether. This silently reduces your stability and increases the risk of falling. Reduce fall risk. This exercise also helps prevent leg stiffness, which makes it hard to turn, climb stairs, or take longer strides. If you're aiming to stabilize your hips, the next exercise provides a perfect foundation. We're almost halfway through. If you're still watching, it shows you truly care about your legs. Exercise 4, side leg raises. This targets the hip and outer thigh muscles, essential for balance while standing, turning, or sidestepping. It's a great option for those looking for arthritis-friendly movements that maintain mobility without joint strain. Stand beside a chair or wall, back straight, then slowly lift one leg sideways without leaning. Hold, then lower. Repeat 10 to 12 times on each side. A 68-year-old woman from California shared how this helped her move confidently in tight spaces after just a few weeks. Less wobbling, steadier steps. If you're dealing with weak legs in elderly or instability while turning, this is highly effective and gentle on the knees. For more tailored routines, don't miss the Leg Strength and Amp Mobility for Seniors playlist linked in the description. It's full of safe, practical options. Now let's move to an everyday skill, standing up without help. Exercise 5, sit to stand. This is one of the most critical leg strengthening exercises for seniors because it reinforces your ability to rise independently. Sit on a standard height chair with your feet flat on the floor. Back straight, eyes forward, then press through your heels to stand. Pause, then slowly sit back down. Repeat 8 to 10 times. According to the National Institute on Aging, regular sit-to-stand training boosts thigh and glute strength and significantly helps reduce fall risk in older adults. It also serves as a basic mobility assessment tool. This is ideal for those who want safe exercises for weak legs that support daily independence. Don't stop now. The next section addresses one of the most overlooked causes of leg weakness after 60. Exercise 6, wall sit. This is a gentle version of the traditional squat, building lower body endurance without any equipment, perfect for no equipment leg training. It's also one of the best at-home leg exercises for those needing light recovery movements. Stand with your back against the wall, feet shoulder width apart and about 12 inches from the wall. Slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep your back flat, knees behind your toes. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds, then rise. Repeat 5 to 8 times. This not only builds thigh and glute strength, but also helps improve circulation legs. It's another excellent post-injury leg routine that's simple yet safe. Now for the final piece, an exercise so gentle, it may even help you sleep better. Exercise 7, ankle circles. The ankles are often neglected, yet they're vital for balance, stride control, and absorbing lower body stress. Ankle circles help prevent leg stiffness and improve circulation legs, especially if you sit long hours. Sit upright on a chair. Lift one foot slightly off the ground. Rotate your ankle clockwise 10 times, then counterclockwise 10 times. Switch legs. Repeat 2 to 3 rounds per day. Many seniors dismiss this as too simple, but skipping ankle mobility leads to stiffness, poor turning, and higher fall risk. This is one of the most effective easy leg exercises after 60 to finish your routine, relaxing yet powerful. With just a few minutes a day and no special equipment, you can regain leg strength, flexibility, and balance. These 7 leg strengthening exercises for seniors are safe, easy, and designed for adults over 60, even those with joint problems or recovering from injuries. Keeping up with these exercises won't just reduce fall risk, they'll help you stay independent, confident, and active every day. If you found this video helpful, comment the number 9 below to let me know you stayed to the end. And be sure to explore the full leg strength and amp Mobility for Seniors playlist in the description for more routines that match your goals and fitness level.